for me, I'm certainly somebody who's incredibly ambitious. I'm always, trying to do this, that, the next thing. But the red flag for me is if I'm actually not enjoying the fruits of the labor, if I find myself numb, if I just do a great keynote, that was like a huge work, a huge project, and I don't even appreciate it. I don't feel it. And so, Brene Brown talks a lot about like our emotions, that you can't kind of numb selectively. So if you're numbing your pain, you're numbing your overwhelm, you're also numbing your joy. And so if I find that I'm in this place of numbness and I'm just kind of going through the motions on paper, I'm actually realizing the product of my change, but I'm not sort of feeling it, appreciating it. I'm not able to pause and notice and choose to be grateful for these things. Then that's a real red flag for me that I'm kind of on this path of burnout.